The summertime is amongst us. What better to have to kick off the summer than some of these barbecue meatballs, guys? These are so delicious, but so easy to make. I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be working with today to make our delicious meatballs. On the screen, I have a list of every little thing you're going to need to get this going. So go ahead and grab you a big old bowl, get your meat in there, and then grab these ingredients and go ahead and pour them in, guys. Get everything in that bowl. And once everything's in there, we're going to grab these big old hands and get all the ingredients well combined. So as I was saying, go ahead and grab them hands and get busy, guys. Get all up in there. Don't be scared. Get everything nicely mixed up. Once that's all said and done, you want to go ahead and shape up your meatballs. I wouldn't make them too thick, but just make them a decent size. On the screen, you'll see, a good idea of what I call a decent size meatball. But like I said, you don't want to go too crazy and have a big old massive meatball where it won't fully cook. This is about the size that we're going to be working with, and you want to continue until you have all your meatballs shaped up and put to the side. So go ahead and get your pan nice and high. I got mine to about a medium high. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and get those meatballs in there and get them bad boys sizzling. All right, get them all up in the pan, let them do their thing until they're nice and golden brown on that first side. So that first side is nice and beautiful. So I'm gonna give all of these meatballs a nice little flip so that other side can get as beautiful as the first one. So once you have all of them flipped over, you're gonna let them keep going for a little bit of more time until that second side is nice and brown, like I said. Once that's all said and done, we are going to pour in some good old chicken broth in there. Once we have that chicken broth in there, we're gonna also pour in our barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you love. Go ahead and get that in there. Could be Sweet Baby Ray's, could be whatever you like. Get that in the pan as well. Give it a nice little flip, a little bit of mix, get everything combined. Now I mean that broth and the barbecue sauce, get that talking to each other, and let it simmer. Put a top on it, let it go for a couple more minutes, and then once that's all said and done, it's about ready to serve. So we have arrived at my favorite part, and that is when it's time to plate up, guys. Okay, that means it's almost time to munch down on these bad boys. You know what I mean? Go ahead and get all of these in a bowl. Go ahead and pour that sauce on. When that's all said and done, my goodness, you are ready to go. Get your big old fork and dig in. Guys, these are so good, guys. These are so amazing. I'm trying to tell you, these are next level, next universe, next stratosphere. I'm trying to let you know, guys. I cannot wait for you guys to try these, man, because they are so amazing. And as you've seen with your own two eyes, they are absolutely so easy to make, takes no effort at all. No effort, but a whole lot of flavor. You know what I mean? So go ahead and give these a shot. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.